So we got a bunch of new Acuras came off the truck today, guys. I'm about to drive that one, so around to the Acura side. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is an Integra, guys. This one's a 2025 Integra A-Spec. I'll show you all the interior real quick. If y'all in the market for an Acura, whether it's in a sedan, SUV, come to Acura Memphis. I've got great sales friends that'll get you right. Let's see. This one's a 2026 MDX. So SHAWD, guys, means super handling all-wheel drive. And this is also the advanced model. So you got a lot of unique technologies and interesting quirks in these cars. So I just love this wood, guys. But what do y'all think about this interior? Can y'all see yourselves in this 26 super handling all-wheel drive advance MDX? So this one, 250. This one is a 2026, another one. So both of these are advanced models. This one's and they're both. So anytime you see SHAWD means super handling all-wheel drive. So this one's platinum white. This one is Canyon River Blue. So Canyon River Blue, platinum white. And this is another platinum white. This one's 59150. This is just a tech model, so which is a shorter version for technology. And this one is just a 26 Integra A-Spec. This one's 37,745. And this one's an urban gray. So we got two platinum whites, urban gray, and if I remember correctly, Canyon River Blue. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, which one would y'all get, guys? Would you get the Canyon Blue or these two platinum whites, or would you get the urban gray? Comment down below, guys, and let me know, because I think all of these are pretty. And like I said, these is fresh off the truck. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bring these around and see y'all on the other side. So I just brought 1, 2, 3, and then that white one right here, 4. So I just brought them around to the Acura side.